She call me Luda, bitch, I roll out with my shooters. She wanna fuck me in a Plymouth Barracuda. I got my gun on, yeah, she know I'm.
Okay guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be talking about basically how I got affiliated in less than 30 days. Okay guys, so if you do find today's video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, follow me on TikTok, follow me on Twitch. All the links will be in the description, and if you do guys, I really do appreciate it. And yeah guys, let's just get straight into the video. So some of the most important things you need to do if you want to reach affiliate on Twitch is you need to stay consistent. For example, if you say you're gonna stream daily, then you actually need to do that. You can't just cancel it. I mean, you can, but then less people will show up on your next stream. You basically have to be consistent with your streams. Try and make a schedule if you can. If you can't, then it's okay, just try and stream as much as you can. Yeah, the second tip is don't stream too much, because if you do stream too much, that's not gonna do anything. That's literally you just streaming for 0 people. You need to make YouTube content, you need to make Instagram content and all that stuff, and you need to get people from other platforms to follow you on Twitch. And yeah, that's basically how you grow a Twitch audience, because it's really hard to grow on Twitch. So yeah, the next thing is try and put all the money that you earn from YouTube and Twitch and that stuff, put it all back into your content. Yeah, basically every single penny that you earn from streaming and making YouTube videos, put it back into your content, because if you waste it on yourself, then it won't really help you, and your viewers won't notice if you buy a new headset, for example. Try and hire an editor to edit your videos. Try and get a new program to edit your videos if you can't hire an editor. Basically just try and improve your content. Yeah, it's different for everyone. For example, for me, my PC is laggy when I stream, so I'm gonna try and collect £1,500 and get a new gaming PC and everything, so you guys get better quality streams. So yeah, the next tip is just basically just be yourself. Don't try and copy other people, just be yourself, and yeah, people will like you for who you are. Okay, I just lost this. Oof, that's a big oof. Okay, so the next thing is the most important thing is you can't beg for people to follow you and subscribe to you and all that stuff, because if you beg, then they're just gonna see you as a negative person, and then they won't actually subscribe and follow. How I found most of my viewers is basically just saying, oh hello, I'm live on Twitch. Like when I'm inside the Valorant game or something like that, I basically just comment in the game and I say, oh hello guys, I'm live on Twitch. If you want to follow me, you can. If you don't, it's okay. Just say that they can follow you if they want to, but they don't have to, because if you say, oh yeah, follow me, otherwise something bad will happen to you, then they'll just, I don't know, it just gives a bad first impression, or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, basically just don't beg for followers and viewers. Okay, the next tip is basically just try and create as much YouTube content as you can. As I said earlier, try to stream anywhere from 1 to 3 days max on Twitch for the start, and then afterwards, when you get more viewers and followers and all that stuff, and when you reach affiliate, then try and stream for 4 or 5 days. But don't just stream every day, because you're basically streaming for 0 people, no one is gonna watch you, and there's basically no point in streaming every day. You're just wasting your time and other people's time. So yeah, try to create as much YouTube content as you can, and try to be as creative as you can on YouTube. For example, for me, the thing that's working out for me right now is I'm making tutorials, trying to help people out, and that's working well so far. So yeah guys, this has been a really short video, I know. If you guys do want me to make more videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and follow me on Twitch, follow me on TikTok. Thanks for 12,000 followers on TikTok, guys. That I really do appreciate it, but I do have bad news. I cannot earn money from TikTok until I'm 18, so yeah, that's not the best. So yeah, at least I can earn money from Twitch and YouTube. So yeah guys, till next time guys, peace.